8 o'clock, Sunday. Need to trim this stuff. Mirrors. Smoke lights, sexy. Today, I think I'm actually going to film how I do this, because I did look on YouTube and there's nothing actually. Fitting a front spoiler or front splitter the right way. Well, I wouldn't say the right way, it's the way I do it. I haven't seen other people do it, maybe like one other shop here in South Africa. But basically this needs to be on the car. So I'll show you guys how I do it, and yeah, enjoy. Okay, sorry for the noise. So now I've drilled the holes, lined it up, drilled the holes, put my screws in, and then what I've done is I've taped up everywhere that I don't want the seeker flex to come out on the inside, or on the outside. So I'll be filling I'm going to be filling inside these gaps for a flush fit, clean flush fit. So yeah, see how it goes. Okay guys, so I didn't actually film myself doing this because I didn't know where my tripod is. So obviously one person is quite tough. But there's a spoiler splitter on. What I did was, once I came with the Seeker Flex, the silicone, I did all the bolts, screws. Just, you know, for safety, and also that it doesn't catch anything on the inside of the car. Then, I didn't tell you, but we did magnets for the number plates. I know a lot of people use epoxy resin and stuff like that, but I think the Seeker Flex is going to work perfectly fine. Yeah, nice fit. Very flush fit actually, considering it's a rep splitter. I've fitted other ones that are horrible fits, but it looks good, and I'll put it on and then show you that. Show you the number plates at the same time. There's the magnets. I'll try my best to line them up with the ones on the inside. Obviously the ones on the back just stick straight onto the back. People normally put felt, some sort of felt on the magnets. The ones that I put on, I put put paint protection on the magnets so they actually can't damage the car's paint. Okay, so let's test this. Actually sticks on very well. Not too tight though. Might need one more. I would put one more maybe. Like it's on. The only way it's going to come off is if somebody pulls it off. Which I think it's going to work fine. Let's check the front. Front's got 3. The back must have 3 as well. There you go. And then off. I did have more on the back, and then I was told that I mustn't put so many. I had two. There's only one. But it is what it is. Let's see how it looks when it's on the car.
I think we'll watch them and then we'll take some.
Yeah, we'll take nice photos.